Hello, my name is Geet Rajdev and I am from final year mechanical engineering department at SISTec. So I have been placed in Maxop Engineering Company Private Limited as a graduate engineering trainee. In my college life, I have been part of different events, namely Nirman and Saga Fiesta. Recently, I have completed an internship from Amin Automotive Hyderabad, which was of 5 months, and I was appointed as the role of design engineering trainee. And apart from that, I have also done an internship in IIT BHU, in which I have been appointed as the role of research intern. I have done different certification courses in my college life. The biggest of them was CSWA, Certified SolidWorks Associate from Dassault Systems. At last, I would like to thank my faculties, my HODs, and the training and placement cell of SISTec for providing such an opportunity for us to learn. And that will be all. Thank you.